Good day, everyone. So, today we will discuss a game that we created. And this game is called Humpty Dumpty. So, this is the mechanics of the Humpty Dumpty game. This game can be played into 2 to 10 members. First, the 3 members will play Batu Pick, and whoever win first will be the one to lead the game. He or she will speak Humpty Dumpty. If he or she will say Humpty, a member will tap his or her legs twice with both hands. And if he or she say Dumpty, a member will raise his or her both hands. And if one of them makes a mistake, he or she will sing and dance Humpty Dumpty. Afterwards, he or she will have the power to lead the game. And if one of them makes a mistake again, the one who is leading the game will be out and replaced. Also, if the 2 members are left competing this game, and if the one members win, he or she will receive a prize.
Bato, pick. Oh, the 1, 2, 3, go.
Since Bibelin failed the game, and now it's her turn to lead the game. And now she will sing and dance Humpty Dumpty.
Bilang kong tatlo, nagtatago na kayo. Yung nakaupo, subukan kong tumayo. Di ako sabi ating kausar. Ang balik ako, di ba? Tutuloy ako. Humpty, Dumpty, Humpty, Dumpty, Dumpty, Humpty, Dumpty.
Since Anna Marie wins the game, and now she will receive a prize. And that would be all for our presentation of our game. And I hope that you enjoy watching our game. And what are you waiting for? Call your friends and let's play together the Humpty Dumpty game. Come